The rain has begun. But that's okay, because I've got this disaster to tidy up. I love tidying up. Hey, I have something to announce. When I do the first start of this vehicle, I'd love to do a live feed so that you get to see what I see right at the start, whether it starts or not, plus you can give me suggestions. However, I don't have the functionality to do a live stream until I've got 1,000 subs, because you're not allowed to do a live feed from your mobile phone unless you've got over the 1,000 subs. So I need another 50 or so subs to get the 1,000 monetized thing, and then I can do a live stream of the first start, which you will all be invited to, and tell me why it's not starting. So hit that subscribe and tell a friend and share and click the bell and all that shenanigans. I would have loved to be able to have a live feed of the last time on my last project when I did the first start. There was flames and everything that was exciting. But again, I could have used your help to diagnose why it didn't start straight away. It did eventually start. The link will appear there, hopefully, with the big subscribe button right in the middle. So make sure you do that. And another quick question, please leave a comment and let me know what sort of day and what sort of time would be best for this. I'm thinking possibly Sunday evening, maybe 7:30ish. Most people do things on Saturdays, so I'm thinking of Sunday, but leave a comment, let me know. Anyway, go enjoy your day. I'm getting back to work for the next video I'm making. Bye bye.